Here's a look over Bar Harbor this morning as the sun starts to come up. One of my favorite spots to get out and visit. I've been there many a time. I'll have to tell you about the time my camera actually got blown over by the wind and broke right in that parking lot. But Mallory, today is a day that folks are looking to get outside and actually probably use the grill ahead of Super Bowl Sunday, but it might be a little chilly for folks to actually be out there doing it.
Yeah, yesterday was a better day for that. So, you could still do it. We've seen plenty of people do it in the middle of blizzards and get the grill on, and so we can handle it. We are looking at a colder day. Maybe some warmth will help from the grill. We are expecting temperatures to be into the 20s as highs for the most part, and the cloud cover is starting to increase now. So this is a look over Portland from our tower cam, and we can see that the cloud cover is definitely there. Temperatures around 26 degrees currently, a dew point of 12, so we're not quite saturated, but we're watching a system that's brushing the east coast with some intermittent light snow. Now it's going to take some time for it actually to hit the ground because of how dry we are. So we'll start to see that dew point coming up in the next couple of hours, and then you'll probably start to see some flakes. But we see them right now toward the Kittery area into southern New Hampshire, Manchester, Concord, Keene, likely seeing some of that light snowfall this morning. And it's just going to be intermittent. I'm calling it nuisance snow. It'll kind of spit flakes. It'll stop mostly along the coastline, maybe about 20 to 30 miles inland. You might start to see some of these flakes as well, but really nothing to be terribly concerned about. The ground is a little bit warmer since we've had a couple warm days, so we're not too concerned with the icing potential. And of course, there's a lot of agents still on the ground for the melting and the salt on the road. So I don't think we're going to have a lot of impact from it. But nonetheless, it's the big story, or the bigger story for today in terms of the weather. Otherwise, we're pretty quiet. 26 right now in Portland, 25 in Wiscasset. Take a look to the mountains. Much cooler. 5 in Rangeley, 6 in Greenville, 2 below right now in Caribou. So if your plans today take you outside, remember to layer up. It's not going to be nearly as warm as it was yesterday. So here's a look at the next couple of hours. Just notice that snowfall meandering off the coast. That's all it's really going to do. Not terribly concerned about this. Temperatures in the high terrain do stay in the teens today, 20s elsewhere. And then going into tonight, we'll start to extend some of that snow shower activity to mid-coast and down east, and then it will gradually move out. We will start to clear out a little bit into Monday, but notice temperatures really don't move. So Monday is going to be that moment of reality that comes back after these past few days. It's going to be cloudy, temperatures in the teens, a few leftover flurries, and it's going to be cold. So mentally prepare for that one, especially after a late Super Bowl. It'll at least wake you up in the morning. We are going to be clearing that out heading into Monday night and Tuesday will be a quieter day for us, but not necessarily warmer. So overnight tonight, remember those temperatures are on the cool side. Cold bus stop, cold car warm up tomorrow. If nothing else, it wakes you up after a late football game. Temperatures are going to be on the cool side. Also over the water, we have a small craft advisory, water temperature 43 and gusts up to 20 knots. So wind chill factor going to be big for today. We do have those temperatures much cooler on Monday. We gradually make a move on Tuesday. We warm things up on Wednesday, but we are clouding up too. And then unfortunately, the rain comes in as we go into Thursday night and Friday. It'll be about a 12-hour stint of some moderate to heavy rain, which of course will aid in a lot of snow melt, unfortunately, and we will then be cooler heading into next weekend.